Tyler came to me, we're doing a chassis harness. We basically took every single OEM Nissan wire out of here and we made it run off of 2 LINK Razor PDMs. This is Leon from Autoban Garage. I'm here with Tyler Mayer, number 133S13 at Formula Drift. Tyler came to me in April, basically saying that he wanted to do Formula Drift, and he has this car, has a 2JZ in it, and he's going to be running a LINK ECU. And since Autoban Garage, we make a lot of chassis and engine harnesses. We decided to do a full custom harness using 2 LINK Razor PDMs, a CAN keypad, pretty much a full LINK product catalog. Before this, it looks like a race car right now, but before this it was like stock quarter panels, every wire was OEM, and at fuses, relays, probably, you know, crusty wires that were not 30 years old from Nissan. And so what we did was we took every single wire out and we made it run off of 2 LINK Razor PDMs. We usually make pre-made chassis looms for people. However, this one having so many outputs, we had to get kind of creative. We wanted to still use 2. So we were able to run every single output, including nitrous, bottle heaters, a lot of stuff only pro cars would have. This car was a grassroots pro-am car before, so it didn't have as many outputs. And we literally doubled them and took away all the fuses and relays. So yeah, as you can see, normally on an S chassis, there is a gigantic relay box right here. There's no wires. Everything is simplified onto a either ECU command or on a switch based off the CAN keypad. We decided to mount everything kind of close together and centralize. We have the PDMs under here and the CAN keypad is mounted right on there. Everything communicates through a CAN bus network, so the ECU can see everything the PDM is doing, the PDM can see everything the ECU is outputting, and it's all displayed on the dash. So on this car, it's running the Autoban Garage dual PDM harness. We offer lots of different steps in our harness packages. Like we offer a single PDM harness that can control everything, your headlights, taillights, brake lights, engine control, like your fuel pumps and fans. And then for the more professional level, we offer a 2 PDM harness where we can either mount one in the rear or mount one in the front or mount them together. And that controls literally double the outputs. A lot of cars don't have nitrous control, e-throttle, and everything like that. And we power literally everything off of the PDM. So in the process of building this engine and chassis harness, LINK ECU came out with a significantly big improvement to the PDM software. It makes it really, really easy to use, and we ended up actually wiring this whole thing up and programming it in one day. So everything has preset features, and you can wire X thing up or X output up to this thing, and it'll already be programmed in your PDM. There's a bunch of base files for different options that you can do, and we also offer custom calibrations at Autoban Garage for the LINK ECU Razor PDM. So whether you have a 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder or whatever you have, we can definitely come out with a solution for that. So everything is serviceable on this car. We use mil-spec bulkheads to be able to quickly remove and install our engine harnesses. And part of a motorsport harness package is a spares program. So anything can happen. You could take a hit, somebody could take out this whole harness, rip out everything that was wired up, and then you have a lot to figure out and fix. But for us, we have a full spares wiring program. So we have extra pre-made wires that plug into the same harness, and it actually plugs into our universal PDM harness, which essentially is like a flying lead that you can modulate to work with any vehicle. Like we can put it in a car over there or a car over there, but as long as it has a LINK ECU, we could make everything communicate with each other and everything is working flawlessly. So if you're interested in getting a LINK Razor PDM or maybe a harness, just need some help with setting your PDM up that you have, or have any questions, you can find me at On Instagram, you can go to www.autoban-garage.com. My Instagram's @LeonBan or Autoban Garage Official. Pretty responsive, so please feel free to reach out. We can definitely find a solution for your wiring problem, or maybe your new project that you're building up. We offer it all. So